This is an important COVID-19 update for Corio Village. A customer who tested positive to COVID-19 visited Corio Village Shopping Center on Saturday, the 21st of August, between 12:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. All the area listed below are now Tier 2 exposure sites, and all customers and staff who were in these spaces at these specific times must get tested immediately and isolate until a negative result is obtained. Tier 2 exposure sites: Corio Village Shopping Center, Common Mall area, 12:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. Chemist Warehouse, 12:15 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. Coles, 12:20 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Corio Fruit and Veg Market, 12:55 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. McDonald's, 1 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. For further information, visit www.coronavirus.vic.gov.au/exposure sites.